I also want to speak English fluently, effortlessly in flow. But there is one problem. Whenever I speak with anybody, I get stuck. Also, words don't come in my mind while speaking. And whatever words I learn, I forget. I forget after 2 and 3 days. If this problem is be always part of my learning, then how I can become fluent in English, speak effortlessly in flow. So friend, if this problem is your, then this video is for you. So stay connected with this video till the end. My dear friend, in this video I will talk about how to learn vocabs and remember easily and effectively. The method I am going to tell you, if you apply, definitely my dear friend, word will store in your mind for long time, and you will be able to use in your speaking. Also, word will come in your mouth easily, automatically. So how you can learn in this way, so that that word will be always stored in your mind and also come in your mouth automatically while speaking. So without wasting time, let's talk about that. See my dear friend, what you have to do for learning vocab. Whenever you are watching and listening something or reading, that time you have to pay attention. Okay, pay attention means whenever you are listening and reading something, you have to be focused. Okay, not that you are watching but your mind is somewhere, your mind is thinking about something. Not like that. Whenever you are watching, reading, your mind should be there in present mode. Okay, then you can pay your attention 100%. So, whenever you are watching and reading something, any activity you are doing, reading or watching, that time you have to be focused, and the word is coming repeatedly again and again. You have to learn that word. You don't have to learn each new word of that video, of that page, of that chapter. No, if you try to learn each new video of any chapter, you will lose interest of watching, interest of reading. But I don't want it. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, the word is coming again and again, you have to pick that word. Okay, and also you have to try to pick that word not separately with sentences. Why with sentences? See my dear friend, if you learn any word separately, so you will get to know meaning of that. But I know some learner, they face problem when it comes to use in sentences, just because of verb and noun they get confusion how they should use. So that is why I am saying, whenever you are going to learn any word, try to pick with sentence. Okay, if you try to write in your notebook with sentences, then you will get to know the meaning of that word, and also in which context that word has used, as a noun, as a verb, and in which context. So there it will be easy for you to use in sentences that word. So that is why I am saying, learn any word with sentences for your easy way to learn. So when you get, then you have to pick and write in your notebook with sentences. After that, you have to search meaning of that word. Okay, and then you have to try to create 5 sentences related to same word in same context. Okay, and one thing, keep it in your mind, don't try to learn so many words in a day. Okay, instead try to learn one word every day. Try to practice one word in different way, then you can store in your mind for long time. So let's suppose you got to know meaning of that word and in sentences. After that, you have to create 5 sentences related to that. Second, way of practice of that word, you have to create a story situation so that you can use in that. Okay, you can create any situation story type of a small and use that word in again and again in that situation in that story. Also try to use that word in writing, speaking, in storytelling, in creating sentences. So when you will do practice, in this way, one word and same word in speaking, in writing, in a story, in sentences, then my dear friend, it will store in your mind. Why? Because one word you are repeating again and again, again and again, in speaking, in reading, in writing, in storytelling. And that's how you know when you will repeat again and again, that will store in your mind, that will become a strong memory of practice in your mind. And then it will be easy to use in your speaking. Whenever you will speak, then it will come automatically. So what you have to do, you have to learn one word and repeat, do practice. And also you have to do one thing, to memorize that word effectively. And for that, what you have to do, so see my dear friend, see what we say, मैं कैसे भूल सकती हूँ वो बात, मैंने खुद अपने आँखों से देखा था वो चीज़ें होते हुए, वो मैं कैसे भूल सकती हूँ। हम नहीं भूल सकते। जो चीज़ें हम अपनी आँखों से देखते हैं, वो चीज़ें भूलना मुश्किल होता है, हार्डली हम उसको भूलते हैं। सो दिस technique you have to apply here for memorizing and learning vocab. So whatever word you learn, you have to go on the Google and search in picture way. Okay, also you can search on YouTube, so maybe in video you can get that picture. Okay, and you have to see the picture and try to understand. Okay, when you will search light, so light type of picture you will get. So you have to do and try this technique to memorize word, what picture method of that word. So when you will do in this way, then it will become a strong memory in your mind, and it will be hard to forget. So my dear friend, if you are facing problems of vocabulary, words don't come in your mind because of word, you are not able to speak English fluently, effortlessly, you get stuck, you fumble because of it, then get rid of this problem in this way. And for this, what you have to do, I told in this video, but let me remind you once again in short way. So what you have to do, my dear friend, whenever you are reading, watching something, you have to be carefully, and also you have to make a target to learn one word daily. Okay, and which word you have to learn, the word you are getting repeatedly while watching, while reading that word, and how you have to write and pick with sentences. After that, what you have to do, after writing in your notebook, you have to create 5 sentences, you have to create some story, you have to use in your speaking, in your writing, and that picture method you have to do. You also have to search the picture of that word. Then if you do for learning your vocabulary in this way, for memorizing vocabulary in this way, then my dear friend, it will be you know hard to forget. You will not forget easily, and you will be able to store those words in your mind for a long time. And also the practice you will do by storytelling, by writing, by speaking, by creating sentences, and that will help you to get that vocab while speaking. That word will come automatically while speaking. Why? Because you have practiced a lot. So that's how, my dear friend, you can get rid of this problem and become fluent, speak English fluently, effortlessly, in flow. So if you have the same problem, then apply this method to learn vocabs and remember effectively and overcome this problem. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.